Do.
Hey guys, I am Carla Dennis. I am America's tax advisor, and I have to tell you that I am extremely frustrated over our government running out of the $346 billion of stimulus money as a result of the CARES Act. And I am sure that you are frustrated too, because a lot of small business owners did not receive any of that money. It was stated on Thursday that the SBA was out of that money, and that's really unfortunate. The problem is a lot of you did not know how to adequately fill out that paperwork. And that's really no fault of your own. But I had to do some research to find out what happened. Why did my business owners get that money? I got in touch with a spokesperson from the Small Business Administration. I have spoken to loan officers at banks, and I have spoken to the U.S. Chamber of Commerce just to get some great information. And what I found out is that the average business owner lacked understanding on how to complete the forms. They lacked understanding on where to go. Everybody was just so nervous and anxious. They didn't even do the forms correct. And I get it. Like, it is just a terrible time right now. But I have to make sure that you get your fair share of that CARES Act money, because they are talking about releasing another $250 billion. And so I feel like I have a responsibility to you to make certain that you know what you need to do in order to get in line to get that money and have all of your ducks in a row. So let me tell you what I did. I created the Stimulate Your Business package. And why did I do that? Because there was literally 9 things that business owners absolutely needed to know to make sure that they got their loans through. And from talking to these organizations, you guys didn't get it. You didn't get it right. So in my package, I make sure you know how to register your business properly. I make sure that you know what the proper identification number is for your business. I make certain that I train you on what payroll really is and what records you need to have, how to fill out the loan applications properly, and what loan application. A lot of you have the wrong loan application. We cannot let that happen. This Stimulate Your Business package is going to give you those 9 things that you need to have to get in line for the next $250 billion. And also, if you don't get in line for that, you can go to your bank. You can go get a loan for your business. But I am only going to release 100. Why is that? Because I can only help so many people, unfortunately, but I got to make sure that those people that are dependent on me for help get the help they need. So I am going to tell you, click on the link below, get one of the 100 Stimulate Your Business packages that I am going to release, and I will only release 100. Do it today so you can make sure that you get the money you deserve for your family, that you can get it right this time, that you can sustain your business moving forward. Because it's not just about today. It's about moving forward. It's about putting food on the table for your family. I get it. I feed my family off of my business, and I understand because I grew my business just like you're growing your business. So allow me, Carla Dennis, America's tax advisor, to help you. Click on the link below, grab your Stimulate Your Business package, get those 9 training modules that are going to break it down for you and tell you exactly what you need. And then you're going to hop into my Facebook group where I'm educating you, answering your questions, and stimulating you to get the money you deserve.